Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the screw in your ice dispenser. The reason why you might do this is because the screw is either missing or rusted out. For this job, you'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To do this repair, we're going to need to remove the faceplate, and to do that, we're just going to simply take our fingers, pull that right off. We're going to go around all the edges, being careful not to pull too hard on it because you don't want to break off any of the plastic tabs. There we go. And using our Phillips head screwdriver, we'll just remove this screw. There we go. Grab your OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one, you can buy one on our online store. And we'll just put that guy right in there. Grab your faceplate again. Make sure the letters are facing up. And just pop it right back in. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.